Determine the period of a sinusoidal waveform that goes through 250 cycles in 12 milliseconds. The very first thing what you're supposed to always do in electronics, you're supposed to write everything what is given. Next, you're supposed to write everything what we're supposed to find. We're supposed to find the period. The problem says that I have time 12 milliseconds and 250 cycles goes in 12 milliseconds. I want to find the period. So if you want to find the period, simply you have to divide this time by number of cycles. Time is 12 milliseconds, and you're supposed to divide this by 250 cycles. This is equal 48 microseconds. So the period of this waveform has 48 microseconds, and this is the solution to this problem.